And the horses have reached the starting gate. CCR, Political Rap, moves up into gate 1. Paint Big Dreams is up into gate 2. Ain't She Something moves up into gate 3. TF1 in La Jolla will be next to load. Tony Montana, gate 5. Perfect that the horse is gray. If you didn't see the movie, then you didn't get it. Dash Panama T is next. AAL Diablo moves up into 7. Mighty Panama T will be next to load in gate 8. Gate 9, Be a Tempting Queen moves up. Be a Tempting Queen is in. They're all in the gate locked up. Restless down there in gate 1. Settled. Uh-oh. Gate 8, Mighty Panama T. The front of the gate, Gloyd Whitmire. Fleet-footed Gloyd. Look at him travel over there. He's traveling well, Gloyd is. Good job, Gloyd. He's hustling back into his position there. Makes it look easy, old Gloyd does. They're all in the gate locked up. And there they go. Oh, at a shot with CCR, a Political Rap from the inside. CCR, a Political Rap in between horses. TF1 in La Jolla. But look at this horse go. CCR, Political Rap. The gray on the outside is going to be second. That is Tony Montana, but it is CCR, a Political Rap. Tony Montana was second, and third was Be a Tempting Queen.